Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you're brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. We are 155 subscribers away from 7,000 subs on this channel. We're trying to close in on 10,000 this year. You could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, or if you're not brand new and you haven't done so already, hit the notification bell down below and it'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. Me personally, I try to keep it consistent. Alright guys, today, before we jump into today's sneakers, the sneakers that come in this box, the sneakers that you're seeing in the box on the thumbnail, we got a package from KRS Graphic Tees. These guys, they're an up and coming, you know, I guess startup business, a t-shirt business, and they're trying to get their name out there, and they were kind enough to send me a few shirts before. I did a few videos. I'm not sure exactly what video that actually was, but let's check out what tee they gave me this time. I know it's gonna be fire because the other, you know, the other 3-4 t-shirts they gave me was super dope. Alright. That's pretty cool. I guess this is like the I don't know exact. Oh, it's got the MJ23 dope drip fresher. I don't know, I guess fresh and premium together. I'm not really too sure what that you know, how to pronounce that, but it's a dope tee. I believe it's like you ever see Breaking Bad, like the chemist, like I guess it has to do something like that, but it's pretty dope. Huge shout out to you guys. I really appreciate you over there, man. Truly appreciate you guys. If you guys want to cop a tee from them, they got plenty of different tees. They got one with the Thunders. They got like I said, they got a few tees. You can check them out. The links are going to be in the description down below. If you purchase anything off them, or even if you don't, give them a follow on IG. I'll also leave that link in the description down below as well. Also too guys, we got J&M's, their own sneaker cleaner, kit. It comes with the instant foam cleaner, the scrub brush, and the microfiber towel. It says do not use this product on dyed suede. The colors may rub off or when coming into contact with water. This is pretty dope. We're gonna take a look at this in another video. We'll I guess compare them to the other, you know, the other cleaners out there. You know, see which one is better. Why not? And these are my guys over at J&M Sneakers. Make sure these are who taking care of us today with the shoes. This has been taking care of us with the shoes for a long time. But anyway, guys, let's get into the sneakers. Alright guys, you know it's a Jordan 4 box. I believe the military black came in this kind of box. You got the red. Kind of gives you a hint on what, you know, sneaker this is. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel because we are all going to be doing a review, an on-foot, detailed on foot of the Air Jordan 4 Red Cement. Now guys, I'm not going to sit here and lie. When I first saw images of this sneaker, I wasn't really a fan of it. I was like, man, what are they doing? Jordan brand's running out of ideas, blah, blah, blah. But maybe it's because I love the Air Jordan 4. Maybe, you know, that's why I'm liking it. But it is a lot better in person. I cannot lie, man. I mean, the material, as far as the materials go, we'll take a look, you know, a deeper look into that, you know, during the review. But as from what I could see, really not bad, man. Just I believe the same material on the midnight navy blue Air Jordan 4s. It's the same material we got on here, but these are red cements. Very dope, man. I believe these, let's see when these are dropping. I believe these are dropping in September or the end of August. Let's check out the sneakers app. If you want them right now, make sure you check out J&M Sneakers. Links in the description. You can hit them up. Go IG. Follow them on IG. Let them know your man, the son of some man, sent you there. And like I said, they'll take extra good care of you. I believe it's all the way down to Yeah, they don't come out until September 9th. Wow. So about 4 weeks away, about a month away, man. But guys, let me know down in the comment section, do you guys plan on picking this pair up when they do drop? If you plan on picking them up, like I said, you better not sleep, because they're definitely going to sell out. Prices are definitely going to jump with these, 100%. They might stay, you know, leveled at the beginning, but a couple months down the road, these things are going to be going for $300+ guaranteed. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, because we're going to be doing a review and on foot. Also, we got plenty of more heat coming, early looks. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I truly appreciate you guys. I can't say it enough. Until next time, it is your man, the Son of Some Man, and we're out, guys. Peace.